Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can clean the C drive of your Windows. So if your Windows C drive doesn't have enough storage or is almost out of space, then how can you clean your Windows C drive? Then let's go quick into the process. Right click at the start button and select File Explorer in the list of options. Now maximize this. Click on this PC. So currently my Windows C drive has enough space, but in your case, if it doesn't have enough space, then how can we clean up our Windows C drive? So click on this PC and then double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and you'll find the Windows folder, double click. And then we have to scroll down and look for the software distribution folder, this one, double click. And here you'll find downloads. So these are your once you upgrade your Windows or updated your Windows, you will have files from here or cache or temporary files. Now I have just cleaned my software distribution folder. That's why there are no lots of files in here. But in your case, you just need to simply delete all of that like that. Now once done, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup under the best match. Then we are going to clean the Windows C drive. So let's just click on OK. And now you will find this window, disk cleanup for Windows C drive. You just need to simply choose or select these options one by one or check these boxes one by one. It will also be stated in here the total amount of disk space that you can gain. So I will be gaining 1.03 gigabytes, but in your case, this could be greater. Just simply click on OK. And click on delete files and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. And here you will find all the installed programs of your Windows. So what you can do is that if that program is unnecessary or you are not using or you rarely use that program, then why not uninstall that? So I have here this Roblox player. So I'm going to uninstall this because I am not also using this. Just simply click on that and click on the uninstall option at the top. This will also if you are going to delete or uninstall a program, this will also free up some space on your Windows C drive because if these programs are still on your Windows and you are not using this will just take space on your Windows C drive. So you have to simply uninstall that. I have here the Zoom Workplace. Click on uninstall. Now once done, close this and then make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer in the list of options. Now here in the destination paths right here, if you have items on your desktop that you are no longer going to use, let's say for example this one, then right click and then select delete. So you have to basically delete everything in this destination path if these are not important or if you already used them, that picture, that folder, that file, then why not delete that? And then open the recycle bin and empty everything from here. And after that, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. That's how you can easily clean your Windows C drive. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.